crafters, it's Jane here from Crafting with Miss Jane, and I'm hanging out in my very messy craft room today, but I've just started making gorgeous Christmas cards and I want to show you how easy they are to make. Hey crafters, it's Jane here from Crafting with Miss Jane, and today I'm showing you a really exciting project that you can make quick and easy and simple Christmas cards using a few products from Stampin' Up. These are the beautiful cards I have made with the mix and match ephemera packs and the gold dipped mix and match cards. They are so cute and the cards come together in minutes. So I'm going to quickly show you them all and then I'm going to show you how to create one. These are using the mix and match ephemera packs. There's one that's called sayings, one that's called tags for the season, and one that's called images. You just mix and match them all together. These are the little matching gold dip envelopes. These are the card bases, so you get green ones, red ones and blue ones, and they are double-sided. You just fold them in half. They're beautiful deluxe cards with a little bit of gold foil on the bottom. I absolutely love them for Christmas. I've actually chosen to pair the green with the red, but you could pop the green with the green. I will show you some of the cute designs I came up with and where I found them in the catalogue for inspiration. This is a beautiful little snowman and I have just added some little dots there from the Drusy adhesive-backed dots. These are the gorgeous little Drusy adhesive-backed embellishments, and I'm obsessed with these. It's probably my favorite Christmas embellishment so far from the card kit. So you've got your little snowman, and then inside I've actually popped another little saying in there that's from the tags and that's from the sayings. Then we have this one over here, wishing you Christmas full of peace and wonder, and I really love this one. It's very elegant. I've again added the little gold Drusy dots. I've popped the red envelope with the green card, and then I have left that one blank. I have used a little bit of twine left over from another kit. Whoops. A little bit of twine left over from a kit. This one was super easy. This was one of the tags from the tags for the season, and then we added the little sayings and then some little presents, and this one I thought worked really well with the green envelope. So you could pop the matching envelope, or you could alternate it and just add a little different colored one just for some fun. This one's probably my favorite. I showed this in a previous video, and I've just added the blue envelope with the Let It Snow, and I think that just adds a little bit of extra touch to it. This one I really enjoyed making. I popped a few of the little elements there and some of the little tags and the titles. I just love these. These are also the peppermint dots, and I just thought they went really sweet on that card. And then this one, I've actually popped one of the little cards in there from the Memories and More Reindeer Fun. Just pop that in there so that you can write a nice sentiment on there. Some of them I've actually popped another little saying inside. This one I popped Merry Christmas. You actually get so many tags and so many ephemera, little die cut shapes in the ephemera packs. So I really love the value for money that you can grab with these mix and match selections. And then also I made some single little tags that you could pop on Christmas cards. This one just says Happy Holidays, and I just love the touch of gold. Then I popped a little star on the top of the tree. These, you can just make them in 2 or 3 minutes. It's so fun mixing and matching the elements together. This one, I don't have a little title, but it's just got the little ice skates on it. They're so darling and sweet. So let me show you. These are how the ephemera packs come. You just punch the little die cuts out. They just come out so easily. You can pop them in a little box. You get actually 2 sheets of each. I showed them in depth in my previous video. If you want to make these easy, simple Christmas cards, you'll need to grab the mini catalogue September to December. Message me if you would like a catalogue, and I'd be happy to pop one in the post if you live in Australia. It is jam-packed full of the most gorgeous embellishments, stamps, die cuts, papers, all sorts of beautiful things for Christmas. But here you will find the mix and match ephemera packs. You've got the gold dipped mix and match cards and envelopes, $21, a really great value. Then you've got the tags for the season ephemera pack, joyful images ephemera pack, and joyful sayings. They're all $16.75. So you can just grab these 4 things on this page and you'll be able to make so many gorgeous Christmas cards. I got all of my inspiration from the ideas book, which is just here. You can see all the beautiful cards and tags that you can create, and then also the designs over here. And this is amazing inspiration for you to just sit down and have a play with the cards. Let's go ahead and create a card. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make one of these gorgeous cards. We've already done the Let It Snow horizontally, so let's do a version of it vertically. I like to use my Versamat so I can line up all the elements, and I'll just show you how easy it is to pop out the die cuts. You just pop them out just like this from the ephemera packs, and they come out so easily. So I've popped out a few of the things that I want to grab, and I'm going to start by just sticking down to my navy base with a little bit of tape runner, and I'm just going to pop that all over the leaves. Then I'm going to use my mat to just line them up so that I get them going across the middle and straight across the card. So we're just going to line them up on our mat, and then we just cut the excess off with our favorite scissors, like so. Literally, you can make these Christmas cards in minutes. The hardest part is choosing which elements you want to pop on your card. Then we're going to raise up a few of these elements. So we're going to start by using our Stampin Dimensionals. This would have to be one of my top 5 favorite Stampin' Up products. I can't live without these beautiful Stampin Dimensionals, and they just come off so easily. So we're going to pop a few of those on our little house. I love the bright, vibrant colors of all of these beautiful Christmas ephemeras or die cuts, whatever you like to call them. We're just going to take the sticky back off of those, and then we're going to pop this down like this. Just kind of play around till you get the right position. Then I've popped out the little title, the Let It Snow, from the tags for the season. And then I'm just going to again use a little bit of my tape runner to pop on this. I'll pop it here, and then I'm going to raise some of these little ones up on the foam dots. So you just pop one little Stampin' Dimensional underneath each little piece. So you've got some little twine and twigs here, and then just for something a little bit different, I'm going to use this one. And then we're going to quickly decorate the inside of the card with a little saying. So I'm just going to pop that one in here. Super cute. Then I'm going to add some little dots. I feel like the silver dots work out perfect, and these already have the adhesive on them. So when I'm placing dots, I like to put it in a visual triangle. So I usually do 3 little dots, and I feel like that is really, really cute. I love the silver with that one. And then we're going to decorate the inside. So I've just grabbed 2 little tags from the ephemera packs, and I'm just going to pop them on the inside of the card. So let's just pop a little bit of tape runner down. These ones don't need to be on foam tape. And it's just nice to have a little saying inside as well, just because there are so many little die cuts in these packs. Really great value for money. And then I'm just going to pop that like that. I make sure I pick ones that are matching colors. So now we have our 2, and then we can probably grab an envelope to go with our card base. Perfect. Let me show you how to create one more. This one is the red card base, and I'm actually going to do it horizontally. I'm going to put these 2 little elements inside the card. So we might do those first. I'm actually just going to use my little scissors, and I'm just going to cut across the tag here, and I'm just going to dovetail. So I'm going to cut 2 little slits in the side, me in the middle, and then it pops out a perfect little dovetail. I think I did that off camera, so I apologize for that, but I've just dovetailed it. Pop that on the inside, and then I'm going to just pop my little sentiment over the middle. Just adds a nice touch if you just pop a little sentiment on the inside of your card, and of course with matching colors on the outside. And then we're going to grab our twine. Just going to cut a section of twine off and show you how easy it is to add the twine to your tag. So I fold it in half like this, doesn't matter how long it is. Then I just feed it through the tag like so, and then I put the little two tails through the loop. It's a little bit fiddly, you have to have patience, and then you just pull it through. Then you can just cut off the desired amount. It's really good quality twine, this one. And then we're going to add these little elements on here. So we just place them how we want to place them, and then we can figure out what we're going to raise up. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to stick this down on one side with our favorite tape runner to the tag. I love this little wreath, I think it's so beautiful. And then my favorite little poinsettia, I'm actually going to double raise this tag, I think. So I'm going to put the Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of the tag, just 4. I'm going to raise this off of the card, and then I'm also going to raise the sentiment. So if you were sending this in the mail, you could just put one thing raised up. It doesn't matter so much if you're giving it to a friend on Christmas Day or a family member on Christmas Day. But if you are sending the cards in the mail, just be a little bit mindful of how much foam tape you use. I'm just going to use my mat to line that up so it's nice and straight. And then I really love this little Just For You in the gold foil, so I'm going to raise that up again with a little bit of my Stampin' Dimensionals. I just can't live without these Stampin' Dimensionals. They come in small, the mini ones, and also the larger ones. And then I'm going to pop this about here, and we're going to add our little dots. I'm actually going to add the little gold dots. I'm going to put the bigger ones. I'm just going to put 2 down in the corner down here. So there is my finished card. You can see that they take literally 2 or 3 minutes to make, and I absolutely love them. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial today. I hope you found this quick, easy way to make Christmas cards effective, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.